If you didn't accept this quest while you were in the Purple Parlor, there's no need to worry. Archmage Carlane will offer it in the Violet Citadel of Dalaran. The quest that follows in dire need is both class and specialization specific in terms of its name, but the ultimate goal is the same. Approach the northern bank of Dalaran for the quest Vengeance Seeking Kor'vas. As you arrive, you will see that the bank is being attacked by the Legion. Follow Kor'vas Bloodthorn into the bank and you can turn in this quest. She will then offer the quest Gathering Information, which can be completed one of two ways. The quicker option is to give Glutonia the goblin 10 gold and she will immediately tell you what you want to know. Alternatively, you can speak with multiple NPCs to gather the information you need, including the bank tellers and a goblin known as Randall Goldsprocket. Given these tips, Kor'vas Bloodthorn will realize that the demons have stolen the heart of Highlord Kruul. Once she comes to this realization, you can speak with her to turn in this quest.